My name is Brandon Sparks, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to properly start, sharpen, and run a chainsaw. So first, we want to make sure that our bolts are on. This saw is missing a bolt. This was my dad's saw. I found it in the garage. We're going to get it running today. Make sure our bolt is tight. It's not. Our next step. This slack right here in the chain, this is our tensioner. My handy dandy flathead. I'm gonna give it a couple turns. One more turn. Get our slack out of the bar. Putting our brake on. Make sure we don't cut our hands. That's why I'm wearing gloves. Our next step, checking gas. We're pretty full on gas, but we're gonna give it a splash more. And again, I'm not sure if this saw runs, but we're gonna give it our best shot. Don't worry about all that gas pouring out of there. It's an old 20-year-old saw. Plenty of oil, bar oil already. Just in case, we're gonna top her off. A little too much, that's okay. Rather have too much than not enough. And again, this is 50-to-1 mix. You never want to put straight gas in your chainsaw because you will face the consequences in the end. You won't have a running saw anymore. So now that we are gassed and oiled up, first thing we want to do, turn that stop switch to the on position, pull our choke all the way out, make sure our brake is on. We're going to prime it, prime our saw until we see some gas in the primer ball, as we do. In my recollection, you never want to start a saw like this, because as you see, it's doing one of these. You don't ever want to get clipped right here. Even if the saw is not running, you will slice yourself open and you may need stitches. So, foot right in the handle. Choke all the way out. Now that we heard it pop, is what I was taught. You gotta hear it pop, put your choke all the way back in. Once you hear it pop, the saw is ready to go. Give it one more ball prime. We heard it pop a few more times. We're gonna pull the choke out one more time and get the saw going. Hasn't been started in a long time, so we're gonna repeat this process until we get the saw going. Choke in, push the primer ball a few times. Foot back in. Okay, let's give this another shot. Got me a 1/4-inch ratchet that actually works. The teeth are good, tightened. In the process, I used my flathead. Gave it 3 turns until the chain was tight. There's so much slack in it, it's very dangerous. So, back to the fun part. Stop to on, choke, out. Put your foot in, that way you don't smack yourself in the shin like I was talking about. Not too bad. So, hopefully you can follow what I've told you. Starting with chainsaws laying around your house. Get them running. run right. Always run premium Rex fuel in all your saws. There we go. Hasn't ran in a long time, but it'll start right back up. Okay, that'll be good.